Today, I like to point out common fractals. We're looking at the micro for the week coming up here, and we have a typical fractal by when you have big leg up, then you have a leg, right, and generally is down. No, it could be a dip, or it could be a big decline. We don't know that. All we're doing, trying to locate turn on market. That what we're looking at the micro. Okay, Neil posted this one on Bitcoin, okay, a typical decaying fractal here. Okay, we got a leg, got a leg, got a little bump. Okay, the trend will be down. It won't go down in a line. There will be other fractals appearing. That's on Bitcoin. And Neil pointed out on Dow, it had the biggest decline for the entire year. Why? You have a decaying fractal here. How many times have we seen that? We use a leg, smaller leg, little bump, boom, turn. Okay? Again, you won't go down in a line because you're going to have other fractals appearing here. That's the Dow. Quite possibly, that could be the high for the year. So I'm still bearish on the market here. Again, this is Bitcoin. We might have an overthrow there. And here's the Bitcoin again to a typical decaying cycle. You have to look at all time frames. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, we can expect a turn there. How far? We don't know until we find another cycle discovery. That's in Bitcoin. Okay. Now here we had a reversal up. The trend for the time being will be up for Bitcoin. We have another line here on Bitcoin. They change all the time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 up. We can expect to turn down here on that particular time frame. You have to look at all time frames. Again, we have one here on Bitcoin again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Straight down. Turn. We're looking for turns. We're moving the market. That's all we're doing. Here's the Dow again. We have a simple decaying fractal. Okay. Now, I began to label the fractals here so you can memorize them. On the Dow Jones here, we have a typical growth fractal here. Okay, that's in a 30-minute time frame. Now, on a larger time frame, it's going down, but on the 30-minute time frame, we have a fractal. Our trend will be up, which it did. Okay. However, however, we break the channel here at the bottom of the fractal, the trend will reverse down, and we'll probably have a decline. Dow Jones, again, on a different time frame, we have a typical fractal here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, that means we have a turn up, and if we break the bottom here, the trend will reverse down. Again, we're mapping the direction of the market. Okay, they occur on all time frames. That's why you have to look at all the time frames. Now again, on the Dow Jones, the typical decaying fractal here. Remember the count here, and right here, we have a little bump up. Maybe high for the year. I'm extremely bearish. On the micro here, on a daily chart, we have a typical slider top here. Okay, we broke the bottom here, worked way down. Now it's good like up there, probably because of another time frame. Again, here's a good example of a slider equal leg, we can slide up. So enter at the top of the band here, stop, and it will be down if you want to do the trade. Now on HDY, very interesting. Okay, we have the growth fractal here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. Now, uh, generally the 9 will hold, but times you might get a 9. Okay, so we got a 9 here, and it is turned. So now the bottom of the fractal is going to be right here. So either the gold is going to burst right up, fail here, you can go back down again. Okay, so you have to watch the time frame. So right now, it's kind of bullish, but again, if not, if you find another fractal, another time frame, they'll probably break. Okay, that's another one on the micro. That's new bid. Here's the blue NYA. Okay, we have a typical decaying fractal here. Takes time to learn to form. We can return here. If we hold here on a daily basis, it could be the top for the year, and it could turn, and we're going down. Okay, looking at next week here. Again, you know, chart on Bitcoin, and see if we can find. Actually, we're fractal mining to find the fractals and turns to the market. Again, the NYA on a different time frame is indicating growth fractal. Okay, the growth fractals and decaying fractals can be found on different time frames. On the 2-hour time frame, we have a growth fractal. The trend is up. Too late to enter here, but I'm thinking if we break the bottom of the fractal here, then we'll be down, and then you trade going down. Now on the NYA again, on a different time frame, 10 minutes, okay, we have a typical growth fractal here. We can observe fractal here, the particular fractal in any market. It means we have a turn here, which it did, and it with flat line here. Now, what that means, it's hesitating. We bottom here, that's you're going to enter, and you can probably put a stop here. But you have to wait for the band to break. The NYA. On the NYA, now on a 15-minute time frame, we have a growth fractal here again, very typical, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It turned, went flat line. Now, if we break bottom band here, the trend will alter and it'll be down. How do you do the trade? Well, you wait until you break the band here. Maybe put a stop around here and you do the trade going down. Okay, so every time frame is going to give you a cycle. Here's okay, the NYA on a 10-minute time frame, typical decaying fractal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, it went to E here, and went flatline. So I'm thinking if we remain here, that would be a good trade going down. Hesitating here, that would be a good trade. Breaking here would definitely confirm a particular trend. So I'm viewing this as the top here. All you have to do is your count, label it, and have a good direction for the market. The rut, very interesting here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's the growth fractal. Right? You get 7. The trend will be up. However, again, you break the band here, the trend will alter to go down. Okay, XAU. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Sometimes the 7 goes to a 9. We get the 9. Fractals lag. You have to wait for that all break. Which it did, and it did turn here. Now, if it remains here, you're going to have a big rally. Okay, but I really don't see that. Again, you have to wait for that band to break here. If you break 8, then we'll be down. So above the band here, we'll have a rally. Below the band here, trend will go down. Silver, in my opinion, has topped out. Okay, we're looking at the weekly chart here. This is very typical. Happens all the time in every market. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, when you have a good 5 legs up, and the final leg is pretty big, okay, that is pretty dependable. Now I'm saying the top here is going to be around 32, and um, going out in a month. We think we're going to trend down, but we'll follow the fractal um, during the week, next month, and see what happens. If we break above here, the trend will be up. Currently, the trend is bearish, just going down. Kind of interesting. Here's the equity markets pointing down, and metals too. Okay, that's silver. Now, we have another one here. This is very typical. Uh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's a growth fractal. Okay. I think this is wheat. Yeah, it's wheat. Okay. So you have a turn here. Okay. You wait for a leg. You need a little break up. Then you enter into the trade. Okay. And once it broke the top of the fractal here, the trend will continue up unless another fractal appears here. Okay, so the ideal point would be to enter around here. You could stop there. You take the right up. Okay, that's on the week. Okay, from Neil, wheat, silver. The methodology can be applied everywhere and on all frequency. It's universal. You can use fractals for any market, and you can use it for stocks. You can buy options. Um, you can do a swing trade, but we're primarily looking for the directions of the market. Today, I just wanted to point out some common fractals there. You have to form whenever you see this particular form, for example, on IBM, you know it's going to go up. You see this form on a particular fractal, for example, GE, you know it trends up. You see this particular fractal on Forex, and it's going to be up. It's all about the form. It's all about the count. Hopefully, this will help you navigate these fractals. It takes some time. They're complex patterns. There's more than 5 or 10, 20 or 30, more like 50 or 75. Okay, so you have to recognize the patterns, and you wait for when you break. And now, sure breaking point, the fractals will define your risk. Okay, and you know how much you're going to risk on the table, and you know when to hold them and when to fold them. During a week, I think the last 3 days, we picked up, I don't know how many points, 50, 70. I did put the account online. I'm not bragging, but we did do pretty well this week. Some weeks you may not make $4 grand, you might make it 400 bucks or 200 bucks. Well, the market works that way. It's not going to give you the big moves. Now, if you do a trade and you're playing a big move, that's a big mistake. It's not gonna happen. You have to follow the fractals all the time to make sure that nothing else appears, which will detour out of the fractal. Okay, so that's the advantage of day trading. Okay, here's an example there. Okay, on Friday, okay, it was only 400 bucks. I'll take it. Okay, nothing wrong with that. But it's not going to. You're going to get more $400 days than you will get the big trades. It's part of the market life. That's part of trading. That's part of investing. But you don't need to hold on to the trade for the entire day. If you do that, that's financial trading suicide. Again, we have charts every day, every hour, and when you go in Neil's channel, he'll point out the different fractals for you every day. Um, oh, we caught this one here. Okay, here's a decaying fractal top here. Ideally, it would look like this here. Okay, but semi quasi static mirrored that. Okay, turn down. This is the top. Boom. Okay, you gotta know when to hold them, when to fold them. There's here Neil on the S&P. What do we have here? Oh, we got a 7 down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Uh, it turned. It's just in the bottom. Okay, that was a good trade there the other day. That was 2 grand. Okay. How many contracts was that? 5 contracts. Now you can do 1 contract or 2, 5 or 10. Okay. Sometimes you get lucky. It's part of the game. It's part of the game. Same one there. Um, okay. Sometimes you get a clear Elliott wave here. Pointing that out on a trade. Um, that's helpful. And what we do? Oh, that was the 7 down there. And, we did pretty good here. Now I did post this on my website. Okay, we have a real good um, quality here, and I did quote that if 40 holds atop a 3-point risk. With the fractals, you can define your risk. You're going to know immediately if you're going to be right or you're going to be wrong. You break above the channel here, okay, it's a reversal up, and you exit. Okay. Here, 40 did held, got it's a cookie point decline there. Okay, there it is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So top, went straight down. Okay. Um, do we have anything else here? Um, okay, we have that typical decaying fractal here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That was kind of nice. That was top pick. I think I got that almost at the exact top here. That's when I posted it on my website. On my website, lasfractals.com, you go to well, you have to create an account. Okay? And then you can go to the trade up setup page, and the videos will be posted on elliottfractals.com, and Neil is doing the Telegram to kind of guide you. We did 5 contracts here. Okay, you picked up 800 bucks. Okay, do we have anything else of interest here? Oh, very typical decaying fractal bottom here. And silver, I mentioned silver made a top. Neil is looking at this on a daily basis here. He pointed this out uh, during the week, and I think the metals may have topped out here. But you have to follow it. And there's no uh, clear prediction here. We're only getting the turn. We're mapping the market, and we're not making the market fit the map. It doesn't work that way. Okay? Daily gold. I didn't see that one. Neil did that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's on a daily basis. That's on the gold futures. This one is a top reversal on the NASDAQ. Okay, we have typical decaying fractal here. It's a turn. Um, if you make, again, the trading objective, you need to define your risk, number one. Number two, you have to um, take a profit here somewhere, right? For example, if you did trade here, don't hang on to it expecting it to go straight down. It's not going to happen, okay? It could reverse up, and you're going to lose all your profits here, okay? So you need a trading objective, okay? Whether it's 5 points, 10 points, 20 points, 2 points, or 3 points, okay? You need to have a point where you're going to cash in, okay? I think we made 900 bucks there. Again, you have to know when to hold them and when to pull them. Fractals will help you do it. Okay. Here's a typical daily slider on the ES test, and that's from Neil. Okay. You have an equal leg, you have a little slide here. So uh, 9 kind of put the trade here, you put the stop, and then you have to watch the trade as it goes down. Now, here's another growth fractal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boom. Okay, it's a turn up. I believe you'll find this fractal um, in the beginning of the video on another instrument. Again, the same fractals appear all the time. Okay. Okay, we made 700 bucks there. Okay. Let me ask. I did. Oh, we did trade on this one here. Now, okay, fractals are very complex, right? Um, Sometimes you get a 5, 7, 8, or 11. Okay. The key is to wait for that lag, to wait for the break. Now, I did post this on my website, elliottfractals.com. Okay. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 generally is the maximum. Okay. So this is a semi-quantity fractal pop here. Um, I believe we shorted, and then we put a stop there. As the market goes down, you lower the stop. Okay. I think we only made 200 bucks there. And there's that top that we had. And again, you need to define the risk. You have to put a stop there. Number one. Number two, you have to figure out how much you want to take. You know, 2 points, 5 points, 10 points, 20 points. How many lots are you going to do? Depends on your account. You do a lot, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 15 lots. Okay. All depends on your account. Everyone's different. Uh, Read the view the video here. Long term, very difficult to find the turns. What you have to do, you have to go down to smaller time frames. Key, okay? The smaller time frames will give you the direction for the bigger time frames. Okay? And here's some other fractals here. Oh, here's another one here too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's a 9 down. Okay, that's a growth fractal. And going straight up. Those on the S&P. Those from Neil. Okay. So we're doing actual trades here. And all I have to do, um, look at the form here. Neil will point them out. I'll point them out on fractals.com. Again, you have to create an account there. Uh, the site is currently in re, revamping my design there, but you'll see the charts. Give me a little time to catch up here. Here's that S&P most fractal here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's a 9 down. Okay. Um, you wait for the lag. Wait for the break, and then you do the trade. You put the stop there. Okay, the market keeps going. You raise a stop. Okay, there is it. There it is right there. Okay, and it went up. Okay, this is from Neil. Now sometimes the fractals will um, change. That's why you have to put your stops there. You have to move your stops around. For example, if you have a 5, it goes to a 7, it might go to 10, 11. You move your stop around in the stop bracket. Okay. So I put the stops there. Okay. We had a trend line there. I believe that held, but I'm not really a fan of trend lines. Again, in a setup, you need that break. You don't do anything until the trade is confirmed. Okay. Okay. Oh, a typical growth fractal here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have almost an equal leg here, equal leg here, and you have a little dip up here. And here's the fractal. The top, and this is the bottom. Okay. That's some Neil. Um, okay. Some days you make a lot. Some days only make a couple of bucks. Some days you don't lose money. Losing money is part of the game. Okay. Here's this typical slider too. How many times have we seen it? Equal slide. It's the top. Where you go start. Okay. Um, oh, platinum. Good job on platinum there. That's a decaying fractal top. Now we got another decaying fractal top there. Weekly gold. It did test the channel there, and the trend is down. I think gold and silver uh, has topped out, but again, we need to watch the fractals change. Like Elliott wave, you to change the count. Why do you change the count? Different fractals appearing. Mhm. Oh, that's a beautiful one here too. That's on the micro. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You stop. You wait for a break. You flag. You enter. You stop there. And then you take your profit. Don't hang on to the trade hoping that it's going to break the channel here. Right? If you get 5, 10, 20 points, take it. You can do another trade. Um, Mhm. Okay, some days you make a lot, some days you lose. Okay, but you know when the trade's going against you. Okay, see, I put a stop here, and then you can move your stop around. It's a very typical picking cycle here too. Oh, that's on NVIDIA. I think Neil caught the decline on them. And I did post, I believe, on Sunday that we were going to have a pop-up for earnings. That did happen. Okay. Now that happened on Sunday. When earnings came out, okay, the picture changes. Okay, and Neil found the top here. Okay? That's when you get out. Okay. Again, we're looking at the hidden order in financial markets. Fractals are a visual manifestation of chaos theory. Okay, that's the key right here. This is Neil's channel. He nailed it on the video. Go to his channel. It's free, and he'll point out all the fractals chorea. Uh, he caught the decline here on the video. He caught the bottom. He caught the top. So you can toggle between this channel, my channel, and then you have Elliott Wave, um, or excuse me, Elliott Wave, ElliottFractals.com. So you have three avenues for the trades. Mhm. Three avenues. Again, review this video. It'll tell you a lot. Okay, Hank Nikki signing off. Monday is Memorial Day. Have a happy holiday. Be safe, and we'll probably see you Sunday night. Uh, off offhand, I think we're going to take a tip. A lot of times after holidays, the market declines. I don't know until the open, but again, we have to take this day by day, minute by minute. This is a nice one here too, I think. Okay, here's a decaying growth cycle here. Equal leg, almost equal leg, a dip and rose. And then after it rose, you broke the bottom here. So you take your profit. You take your 10, 20 points to get out. Right? Don't hold on, hoping for 50 points. Okay. This is the S&P, a typical 2-minute time frame for day traders. Uh, actually, it's heaven. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You got equal leg here, equal leg here. A little bump, boom, down. Okay. All right. So, happy holiday, and we'll see you during the week. Thank you, Nikki. Signing off.